Marahiya, presented by Eleazar Harash. These depths are fearsome. Fearsome is his voice. Fearsome are his eyes. Mighty is his will, as the boundlessness. Everything in him is somehow fearsome, because it has the whiff of the boundlessness. He is as a breath from the depths, and these depths are fearsome. But I came to know why they are fearsome, so that the unworthy ones may not enter into these depths. And regarding me, I chose those depths, and now in my blood there flows one supreme abundance and one boundless completeness, which is he himself.